The current in a simple electrical circuit is inversely proportional to the resistance. If the current is 80 amps when the resistance is 30 ohms, find the current when the resistance is 12 ohms. We'll first define our variables. We'll let I be the current, and we'll let R represent the resistance. We're told that the current is inversely proportional to the resistance. And so we know that I is equal to K over R, where K is the constant of variation. We were also told that the current is 80 amps when the resistance is 30 ohms. So we can solve for K by substituting 80 for I and 30 for R. So we have 80 is equal to K over 30. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 30, we have 2400 is equal to K. Now we can substitute back into our general equation. So we have I is equal to 2400 divided by R. Now that we have the equation of inverse variation, we can find the current when the resistance is 12 ohms by substituting 12 for R in this equation. So when R is 12, I is equal to 2400 divided by 12, which is equal to 200. Thus, when the resistance is 12 ohms, the current is 200 amps.